Philips Sonicare Toothbrush Factory Reset Instructions. Resetting your Philips Sonicare toothbrush can help resolve any issues. These factory reset instructions will guide you through the process. Follow these steps to return your toothbrush to its original settings. Standard reset procedure. To start, place your toothbrush on the charger. Ensure it is charging. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Wait for a beep sound. The LED light will flash. Release the button. Your toothbrush is now reset. Alternative methods. If the standard reset does not work, try this method. Remove the brush head from the handle. Press and hold the power button. Wait for the LED light to flash. Release the button. Reattach the brush head. Your toothbrush should be reset. If issues persist, consult your user manual or contact Philips customer support for further assistance. Repeat after me. Hope this video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video.